What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I'm like nervous now that you're here.
Why?
I don't
We vlog together all the
I
time.
don't know.
Literally just putting deodorant on.
Welcome back to my channel. I am here with Jess sitting down in the corner. If you hear any random noises, that's her peace sign. But right now, if you guys don't recognize the location that I'm in, it's because I am in Los Angeles, California, and I moved here for the summer. So if you guys didn't know that, then make sure to follow me on my vlog channel because I have been daily vlogging basically every single day. So be sure to subscribe to that. And if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Natalie. I post a lot of like random lifestyle-ish videos, and today I filmed the ugly photo shoot location, or ugly location photo shoot challenge. I filmed that with my friend Grace. She came to visit me, and if you guys want to see her photos and the rest of her photos, then go to her blog and check them out. I'll have everything linked down below. But I did this video kind of vlog style for you guys, so I vlogged the whole like time that we were taking the pictures and stuff, but I just wanted to come on here and like actually talk about the photos. The first location that we went to kind of turned out to be a fail because we first tried going to Best Buy, and then we tried taking it in front of a post office like truck. We first tried going to Best Buy and that didn't work, so we asked them and they were like, yeah, you're like, have to email corporate if you want to take pictures in here. So we were not about to do that. So we found a USPS post office truck right outside of Best Buy, and we were like, why not just try to take pictures here? Hopefully they don't get mad at us for doing that. I don't know the laws around like what we can take pictures of or not, but this is the ugly postal service car. I feel like it's not typically a place on a random street where you would take photos, so crossing our fingers. There's some police officers over there, so I'm hoping they don't get mad at us. I don't know if this is illegal. I don't think it is. I don't see why it would be. But if worst comes to worst, they'll just tell us to stop. And yeah, so best lighting. Yeah, the lighting is good. So we're gonna try. We're idiots. Our location's driving away. Wait, she stopped? Oh. Bye. Then we went to a dumpster. This is our new location. We found a dumpster here at this like rent-a-car lot. So we're doing it right here. We actually asked the owner. He was probably so confused why we asked to take a photo in front of his dumpster, but it's fine. And guess what? It doesn't have a driver, so it's not gonna drive away on us. So this is the first location. Oh man, the irony. Guys, there's literally a whole entire busy street of cars just watching us take photos in front of a dumpster. So this is so LA of us. How many Snapchats are we gonna be on? How many? Photos that we got in front of the dumpster, so it was such an ugly location. This was definitely the most challenging, I think, because it was so ugly. Like, there's literally nothing cute about a dumpster, so we had to try to like make it creative. So my pictures, I really wanted them to be zoomed in so you could only see like the graffiti behind the dumpster, and I didn't want it to be, I wanted you to not be able to tell kind of where we were. I tried to take some like standing a little further back so you could kind of see my body in it, and like squatting and I don't know, making some pose, and this was definitely the most challenging one. I don't even really like love this photo. It was just more of a challenge because like there was nothing was like my aesthetic there, like everything was ugly, so we just had to get really close, zoomed in, and I tried editing it the best I could, but let me know if you guys like this one. And the next location that we chose was a bus stop, and this one they had a ton of people around it, so that was the most challenging part. And bus stops in LA are not cute. They're just like little benches with a bunch of advertisements on them and a bunch of people in the bus stops at all times, and so that was really hard because a lot of people were kind of making comments to us. Our next location. It's gonna be right in front of the dumpster, and it's going to be a bus stop. We're gonna be waiting until everyone leaves though, just cause that's kind of annoying if we're there taking pictures while people are sitting on a bus. So we're just waiting until they leave, but so far the dumpster I think was successful for ugly
Everyone was
pictures.
questioning us. They're like, do you want it in front of the boat?
Yeah.
Or that car?
Yeah. So it was really funny, it was, to say the least. I really liked it because the movie advertisement that was on my bus stop that I took pictures at, it was like a pink and blue, like very summer vibe movie poster. So I figured if we got close or like had that be the main focus, the bus stop would be kind of cute. I ended up liking that one kind of. I don't know, I felt like these pictures were so hard. I think I liked the last location the best, but for me it was just like really hard kind of getting into the taking pictures mode, especially when like it's like a busy intersection, a bunch of people are around you and you're taking pictures at a bus stop. Like people are probably like, what the heck are you doing? The next location that we did was the parking garage. So we ended up going into the parking garage where we parked, and we were gonna go to McDonald's, but I feel like everyone does fast food restaurants and they're honestly kind of trendy now. Like I feel like everyone, like I just posted a picture on my Instagram at Mia In-N-Out, and like it wasn't for this challenge, you know? So like fast food restaurants are starting to be really trendy for photos. We were on our way to McDonald's, but stopped right here where we parked in the parking garage, and we were like, this is ugly, why not try it here? I think we actually finish up because we're just gonna do 3 locations. So I hope that you guys, I hope it turned out well. Once we edit it, I think it'll be like way cooler, but yeah, I'm really happy with like the way they turned out. I think they'll be cool, hopefully. We have gotten a lot of weird looks today. Even being in LA, you would think that we wouldn't, because everyone like has a camera here and like takes pictures of who knows what, but we've still gotten weird looks because
I'm so excited. The photos are great, you guys.
I know, I'm excited. The lighting is horrible. Everything about this is not cute. Like we can try to make this look good, and these were my favorite ones. So we got some really cool like blue lights in them, which just came up when we took the picture. Like we didn't edit that into it, which I thought was really cool, and it just looked like we were like, I don't know, like in a futuristic movie type scene. I loved the way that turned out with like the lights right behind us, and we had the shutter speed on, like a super slow shutter speed, so we had to stand really still, but like the cars and the people in the background were moving, and it was just so cool. So I really loved this location. This is my favorite one, but yeah, I thought it was really cool, and the way I edited it, I made it like, the before picture was so ugly, so the way I edited it I thought was really nice. That was all the locations that we went to, so if you guys liked any of them, let me know, and let me know which one was your favorite. And be sure to go check out Grace's blog because she edited all the pictures herself, so ours are a lot different. Like we both edited them our own style, so go check hers out and let me know which one you guys like them the best. That is it for this video. I had so much fun filming it. I've never done one of these challenges before, but I just thought it'd be so much fun and so cool, and Grace was like the perfect person to do it with because she's always taking pictures. Yo, comment down below which one was your favorite. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs up. You guys know all of that stuff. Follow me on Instagram. I feel like this whole spiel that I have to tell you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.